How to use Suno AI for free. So first things first, you have to head up to Zuno.com and create a free account using your Google, Microsoft, or even your Discord. So just go to Suno, click log in. Then you should see options here also like sign up if you don't have an account. Now it's easy to create an account. You can just basically connect this to your Google account, which is for me the easiest way to create an account here on Suno. Tap on your Google, select your Google account, and here it is. So to start, you need to have this simple quick start here. So in the prompt box, you can now describe the song, the genre, instruments, and theme that you want. So basically, you can add it right here or paste the genre of the music here in the text box. By the way, this is the interface of Suno AI. So tap on create. And then here you have to enter the prompt. So you can be very specific with that. Let's just say for prompt genre, let's just say indie pop with electronic elements. Mood, it could be dreamy, nostalgic, or uplifting. Instruments, sync pads, electric guitar, ambient drums, soft bass. Theme reflecting on summer memories and so on. And all you have to do now is to basically press enter. You can also add some audio lyrics, so there are some options below. But once you're done, then all you have to do is tap on create. Then you should see the output or result on the right side. This is it. And if you want to edit this, just click. You will see here the lyrics. You can listen to the sound of what you have created. That's the good thing about Suno AI. You can change the lyrics if you want. It's up to you. So basically, this is what it looks like. You can also tap on remix if you want to remix this with other songs here on Suno AI. So this is the music that you have created. Feel free to edit this. You can now download this, you can copy the link, paste it anywhere, you can share this, you can upload this to a specific website or tool. Everything is up to you. So that's it. This is how easy it is to use Suno AI for free. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.